Moving forward with the goodwill messages, we're going to be receiving a goodwill message virtually from Iyom Josephine Aneni, President General Nkata Ndi Iyom Igbo, and former Minister of Women Affairs.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, members of the National Assembly, members of the Fourth Estate of the Realm, distinguished Senator Enyinaya Abaribe, Mma Ndi Igbo, and Mrs. Abaribe, virtuous woman of God, I greet and honor both of you. We at Nkata Ndi Iyom Igbo extend our warm congratulations to you on your book presentation, Made in Aba. As an autobiography, we believe that the title of the book is not just for the fun of those 3 words, Made in Aba. It carries with it the pride of our heritage and by extension, Nigeria's heritage. Aba is significant to Ndi Igbo for many obvious reasons. It is the hub of Igbo industrialization and industry. For us, Ndi Iyom Igbo, Aba evokes strong patriotic emotions for all of us as that city stands in history as the beacon of female activism and leadership that culminated in the Aba Women War in 1929. A very profound historical event of the century that is today an inspiration to us women, especially at Nkata Ndi Iyom Igbo. While we congratulate you, we wish to remind Ndi Igbo that we at Nkata are ready to partner with our men for good leadership and development of Ala Igbo, as we stand on the historical significance of those Aba women who sacrificed their lives for the progress of not only Ala Igbo, but Nigeria as a whole. We are determined as women to stand up to be counted in the development agenda that will be as inclusive as it is historically rooted in the Igwebike spirit of Ndi Igbo, in ways that can revive those industries that made Aba tick and provide employment for us and our youths. Today, Made in Aba has a deeper commercial relevance of patriotism and beauty than the past denigrated allusion to product inferiority by detractors. We at Nkata wish again to congratulate you for being proud of your heritage, our heritage, enough to own those 3 words that could mean different things to different people. To us, Aba is home, and we as women are very proud of both the town and its people, and that you, Enyinaya, Mma Ndi Igbo, Eziokwu bụ Ndụ, you have proudly represented Aba globally. We are very proud of you. Thank you, and God bless you, and God bless Aba.